Hey there guys, welcome to Dinos World. Today I give you guys my walk around feature of the Harley Davidson 115th Anniversary Edition Limited Edition variant. Now this particular bike is special because it comes powered by the Milwaukee 8 114 engine, and it is also Harley Davidson's 115th Anniversary Limited Edition model. Only 900 of these have been made worldwide, and this is one of them. So when you're getting one for yourself, exclusivity comes as standard. Now most of you already know that I've already done a detailed first ride review of the Harley Davidson Fatboy that comes powered by the Milwaukee 8 107 engine, and the link to that review is mentioned in the description portion below, because in that review I talk about every detail, the features, the legacy and whatnot, and I tell you every detail that you need to know about the new Fatboy. Now talking about the differences between the 107 and the 114 models, well, the 107 comes powered by a 1745cc engine, whereas the 114 comes powered by an 1868cc engine. The 107 variant puts out 144 Newton meters of max torque, whereas the 114 variant puts out 156 Newton meters of max torque. And the price difference between these two models is around 2.4 lakhs, because the 107 model is priced at around 18.15 lakhs ex-showroom Hyderabad, whereas the 114 model is priced at around 20.5 lakhs ex-showroom Hyderabad. So that's pretty much it. Let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead with this walk around feature.
It's been a while, haven't felt this way in a long time. Can I tell you a secret? It gets a little crazy in my mind. Crazy, crazy. It gets a little crazy in my mind. Crazy, crazy. Gets a little crazy, it gets a little crazy. It's a little crazy in my mind. Crazy, crazy. It gets a little crazy in my mind. There is something about you, I can't quite figure it out. All I know is I want to know what truth